So you've seen a lot of difficult EMR, but I want to really maybe talk about mostly the sort of things which can be very difficult. And I think we did. Let me just check if it's the right one. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. So yeah, I kind of want to give you a idea about how to make the difficult decisions. And I think we've covered it, but maybe it's interesting to just touch on the theory again. We'll do it while we're getting the patient ready. So here's the presentation. Um, so I think now what we're talking about in terms of difficulty in EMR is recurrence. So of course, okay, it can be complications. We've talked about adverse events, right? And then you're thinking about, okay, I didn't do a good job. There's polyp left, recurrence, or actually residual, and you know that it can be a lot of stuff. But we know that experts can get it down. So in this center, we're not seeing recurrence after EMR, and not at all, right? If we're talking about a standard lesion between 10 and 40, 50 millimeters, not an